Hi, it's Kofi here. In the next 100 seconds, let's see how to install OpenVPN with DNSMasq on DigitalOcean. On the PC now, install OpenVPN using the NYR OpenVPN install script. Follow the steps and create a user client. OpenVPN should be up and running now. Make a couple of changes to the OpenVPN server configuration file to push a custom DNS to clients and also allow multiple devices to use a single certificate. Now, before we install DNSMasq, let's remove the default resolver that comes with Ubuntu. With that out of the way, go ahead to install DNSMasq, then update the DNSMasq configuration to point to the interface of the OpenVPN. Then throw in the custom hostname files using Energized Pro. Energized Pro comes with different packs. Go with the one that floats your boat. Then, for the finishing touches, restart OpenVPN and DNSMasq, and then allow ports 1194 and 53 through your firewall. To connect to your OpenVPN from the client, grab the .ovpn file that was created during installation of the OpenVPN and import it into your OpenVPN Connect client on PC or phone. So now that you have OpenVPN installed with DNSMasq and blocking certain IP address or domains based on the custom host name, you can go ahead to connect with multiple devices with the same certificates or issue multiple certificates and give it to others who also want to connect. In any case, that's how to go about installing that. You can find a link in the description to follow along the written tutorial which goes along with this video one. Thanks for joining me in this one and hope to talk to you in the next. Bye.